What if being lazy is actually your secret weapon for weight loss? Society says laziness is a weakness, but it's really just the drive for maximum results with minimum effort. The problem isn't laziness, it's not knowing how to use it to your advantage. Today I'll show you 5 science-backed hacks to turn your natural desire for ease into effortless fat loss. No grueling workouts, no impossible diets, just tiny, almost invisible changes that put weight loss on autopilot. You're about to master working smarter, not harder. Ready to get the best results of your life by doing less? Let's go. Link to the Lose Zone with more free resources is in the description. Alright, let's dive into hack number 1. Passive calorie burn, also known as NEAT. This is a game changer for those looking to boost their metabolism without hitting the gym for hours. NEAT stands for Non-Exercise Activity Thermogenesis. It's a bit of a mouthful, but the concept is simple. It's all the calories you burn from small, everyday movements, not formal exercise. Think of it as the energy you expend doing everything dedicated workouts, sports, or structured fitness activities. Fidgeting, tapping your foot, pacing while on the phone, these all count. Every little movement adds up throughout the day. The difference in NEAT between two people can be up to 2,000 calories a day. That's a massive difference. Imagine burning an extra 2,000 calories simply by being a bit more active in your daily life. That's more than most people burn in an hour at the gym. It highlights the power of consistent low-intensity movement. So, how do you use this? Add micro movements to your day. Integrate them seamlessly into your routine. Stand up and pace during phone calls. Get those steps in while you chat. Stretch during commercial breaks. It's a great way to break up long periods of sitting. Take the stairs for 1 or 2 floors instead of the elevator. A quick burst of activity that makes a difference. Park a little farther from the store entrance. Get a few extra steps in before you even start shopping. None of this should feel like a chore. If it does, you're overdoing it. The key is to make it sustainable. The goal: make movement the default, not the exception. Integrate it into your lifestyle so it becomes second nature. Fidget more, stand more, move more. Tiny wins add up. Every little bit contributes to your overall calorie burn. You're not scheduling workouts, you're just living with a bit more motion. It's about making small adjustments to your daily habits. This is the ultimate lazy hack: minimal change, maximum reward. It's all about efficiency. You don't need to become a fitness fanatic, just be a little less stationary. Small changes can lead to big results over time. Do this while watching TV, gaming, or working at your desk. It's a constant, passive burn. You're burning calories without even realizing it. Your mission: find 3 tiny opportunities today to move a little more. Look for those small pockets of time where you can squeeze in some extra movement. Maybe it's pacing during a call, taking the stairs once, or stretching during a commercial. Start small. Make it so easy you can't say no. The easier it is, the more likely you are to stick with it. That's how you turn laziness into a superpower. You're leveraging your natural inclination to conserve energy to your advantage. Remember, every little bit counts. You're burning calories without even thinking about it. It's a truly passive way to boost your metabolism. Make these micro movements a habit. Over time, they'll add up to real results. Consistency is key when it comes to NEAT. No sweat, no stress, just smarter living. It's about optimizing your daily routine for maximum calorie burn with minimal effort. Embrace the lazy way to burn more. It's a win-win situation. Let's move on to the next hack. Ready for another effortless win? Hack 2. The Automatic Appetite Reducer. This is all about leveraging a simple, natural resource to help you manage your food intake without feeling deprived. It's about using water to cleverly trick your body into naturally eating less, making weight management feel almost effortless. Here's the hack, and it's incredibly simple. 20 minutes before each main meal, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, drink a big glass of water. Aim for at least 12, 16 ounces, a good-sized glass that will make a difference. That's it, seriously. No willpower struggles, no restrictive diet changes, just plain simple water. It's almost too easy to believe, right? So, why does it work so effectively? Water fills your stomach, taking up space, triggering those stretch receptors that send signals to your brain, telling it that you're getting full and satisfied. As a result, you'll sit down to eat feeling calmer, less ravenous, and much more in control of your choices. And you'll naturally, effortlessly eat less food. And it's not just anecdotal evidence. Studies show that people who make it a habit to drink water before meals can lose up to a staggering 44% more weight compared to those who don't. That's without resorting to any crazy diets or putting in any extra grueling effort. The water does the heavy lifting, making the process almost automatic. This hack cleverly bypasses the need for constant willpower completely. You're not constantly fighting against hunger pangs, you're proactively managing your appetite ahead of time, setting yourself up for success. Plus, let's face it, most of us are walking around mildly dehydrated anyway. So you'll also experience the added benefits of more energy, clearer and better skin, and improved mental focus. It's completely free, takes just seconds to do, and has absolutely no downside. The key to making this work long-term is to make it an automatic habit. Set a reminder on your phone if you need to, especially in the beginning. Keep a water bottle in a visible spot like on your desk or kitchen counter so you don't easily forget. Before you even sit down to your meal, drink that water. Make it as simple and ingrained in your routine as brushing your teeth every morning. Just imagine losing weight and feeling more in control of your eating habits, all without feeling deprived or restricted. So here's your mission for the next 3 days. Commit to drinking a glass of water before just one meal each day. Just one meal. Make it so incredibly easy that you simply can't fail. Once you start to see and feel how good it feels to manage your appetite this way, you'll naturally want to extend the habit and do it before every single meal. This truly is the laziest, most effortless way to take control of your appetite and your weight. Minimal effort, maximum results. Give it a try and see the difference it makes in your eating habits and your overall well-being. Ready to move on and discover the next incredible hack? Let's keep this momentum going and continue making weight loss feel as effortless as possible. Remember, it's all about making small changes that lead to big, lasting impact. Water is now officially your new secret weapon in your weight loss arsenal. Stay hydrated, stay satisfied, and stay on track towards your goals. Now let's move on to hack number 3. It's time to learn another strategy to rig the game in your favor and make weight loss even easier. Hack 3. Rig the game so healthy choices are the easiest choices. We're wired for convenience, so let's use that. Put healthy foods in plain sight. A fruit bowl on the counter, pre-cut veggies at eye level in the fridge. Make junk food harder to reach. Stash chips and cookies on the highest shelf or in the back of the pantry. You're not banning treats, just adding friction. When a craving hits, you'll grab what's easiest. And now, that's the healthy stuff. This isn't about willpower, it's about making your environment work for you. Do the same outside the house. Keep a healthy snack in your bag or car. The easiest option should always be the best one. Spend 5 minutes today setting up your kitchen for success. Move one healthy food out in the open, hide one unhealthy food. That's it, just one small change. You'll be amazed how much it shifts your habits. This is set it and forget it weight loss. Your environment does the work, not your willpower. Make healthy the default, not the exception. You're the architect of your own success. Small tweaks, big results. Your mission, pick one thing to change today. Make the healthy choice, the easy choice. See how effortless it can be. This is the lazy way to win at weight loss. Ready for the next hack? Let's talk about food that keeps you full. Keep stacking these easy wins. Your environment is your secret weapon. Make it work for you. On to hack 4, let's talk about the fullness factor. Hack 4, the fullness factor. Protein is your best friend. Not all calories are equal. Protein keeps you full longer and burns more calories during digestion. Up to 30% of protein calories are used just to process it, free metabolic boost. But the real magic? Protein triggers hormones that tell your brain you're full. Eat more protein and you'll naturally eat less without feeling deprived. You're not fighting cravings, they just don't show up. How to do this the lazy way? Simple swaps. Swap cereal for Greek yogurt or eggs at breakfast. Add pre-cooked chicken or tuna to your salad at lunch. Snack on almonds, cheese sticks, or cottage cheese instead of chips. No need to overhaul your diet, just tilt the scales a bit. At each meal, ask, how can I add a little protein? Sometimes it's swapping, sometimes just adding. A scoop of protein powder in your smoothie, a slice of turkey with your apple. Focus on protein, and you'll stay full for hours. This stops the endless snacking cycle. You're not eating less, you're eating smarter. Your mission? For one meal tomorrow, make a simple protein swap or addition. Toast for eggs or an extra slice of meat in your sandwich. See how much longer you stay full. This is a feeling you'll want to keep. Protein is the lazy way to control hunger. No extra effort, just better results. Try it and notice the difference. Ready for the final hack? Let's make weight loss even easier. Keep stacking these effortless wins. Protein is your fullness factor. On to the overnight reset. Let's finish strong. Hack 5. The overnight reset, mastering the art of sleep. It's time to unlock the power of rest and transform your body while you slumber. Sleep is the most underrated weight loss tool. It's a secret weapon that can revolutionize your approach to health and wellness. 7 to 8 hours a night resets your hunger and fullness hormones. It's like hitting the reset button on your appetite control center. When you're well rested, your body manages appetite and metabolism perfectly. You'll find yourself naturally drawn to healthier choices and feeling satisfied with smaller portions. But skimp on sleep, and your hunger hormone, ghrelin, goes up, fullness hormone, leptin, goes down. You wake up hungrier and less satisfied, setting yourself up to overeat. It's a hormonal cascade that can sabotage your best efforts. Plus, lack of sleep spikes cortisol, telling your body to store more fat. Cortisol is a stress hormone, and when it's elevated, it signals your body to hold on to fat, especially around your midsection. Sleep is the ultimate lazy hack. You burn fat and balance hormones by doing nothing. It's a passive process with profound benefits. A good night's sleep makes every other hack work better. It amplifies the effectiveness of your diet and exercise efforts. When you're tired, you crave sugar and carbs. Sleep helps you avoid those cravings. It gives you the willpower to make better choices. So how do you get more sleep? Make it a priority. Treat it as an essential part of your weight loss strategy. Create a simple wind-down routine. Turn off screens an hour before bed, read a book, listen to calm music, or take a warm shower. These activities signal to your body that it's time to relax and prepare for sleep. Make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Optimize your sleep environment for maximum rest. This isn't about adding tasks. It's about ending your day with intention. It's about creating a peaceful transition from wakefulness to sleep. The real work of weight loss happens while you rest. Your body is busy repairing, restoring, and rebalancing while you sleep. Your mission? Tonight, get into bed 15 minutes earlier than usual. Start small and gradually increase your sleep time. Don't aim for perfection, just a small, easy win. Every little bit of extra sleep counts. Let your body do the hard work while you sleep. Trust the process and allow your body to naturally regulate itself. Prioritize rest and watch your results multiply. The benefits of sleep extend far beyond weight loss. Sleep is the foundation of effortless fat loss. It's the bedrock upon which all other healthy habits are built. No effort, no willpower, just smarter living. It's about working with your body's natural rhythms, not against them. Try it tonight and feel the difference tomorrow. You'll wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to tackle your day. You've earned it. This is the laziest, most effective hack of all. It's a game changer for anyone looking to lose weight and improve their overall health. Let's recap and wrap up your new lazy weight loss system. Sleep is your overnight reset. Make it count. Ready for your lazy journey to begin? Let's bring it all together. You're almost there. Let's finish strong. Embrace the power of sleep and unlock your body's natural ability to burn fat and thrive. There you have it. 5 effortless hacks to put your weight loss on autopilot. Move a little more, drink water before meals, rig your environment, eat more protein, and get better sleep. These are small, smart changes that work with your natural desire for ease. You don't have to be perfect, just start with one hack. Pick the easiest, try it for a few days and watch the momentum build. You have the power to achieve your goals the lazy way. If this helped, hit subscribe and share with a friend. Check out the free Lose Zone in the description for more resources. Thanks for watching, and remember, rest is part of the plan. Your lazy journey starts now.